Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's second splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that a new monthly recurring subscription has just come in. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you that even as a free member of Second Splash, you can earn these monthly recurring commissions. And I'll also show you some proof of a higher ticket you can earn. That's a one-off, but it's also you can earn that as a free member. And a bit later on in the video, I'm going to give you all the free resources and tools that our team give you to help you become successful with Second Splash. So I'm live in my Gmail account here, and just 1 hour ago, it said, "You've got money, a new subscription." So one of the income streams is a monthly recurring commission. So this is the check that they show you, and I've earned a commission of $9.74, and one of the free members has upgraded to Pro. Now, if you're a free member and you refer a Pro member, you will still earn 25% monthly recurring commissions as long as the member remains Pro. And you're also getting the viral passive traffic as well. I want to show you this one here as well. This came in late last year. This came in on December the 14th. This came in on December the 14th of last year. And this is where a member pays up front. So they've gone Pro, but they've paid up front the 97, with I get 50% commission, so they've paid up front nearly $200 for the year. And again, if one of your referrals upgrades and pays up front for the year, even if you're a free member, you would get 25% of that $200. And what's really important to note here is that there's also another income stream built into Second Splash. So I'll just go live into my back office here, and you'll see that my team is now 32 in the team. I haven't referred all of these. Some of these are pass-ups. And it says here commissions $127. Now, if I go click to view, I don't really know why it says that, but if I go click to view, all these commissions here, they total $147. And the reason these are not paid yet is because the commissions are 30 days in arrear, a month in arrears. So, and they do 2 commission runs every single month. So this one here, this $97, I'll get paid within the next week or so. And all these in January, I'll get paid next month in February. But it totals $147. Now, I want to show you, I've got a platinum upgrade. I was very fortunate because I've had some success with Easy Cash for Ads, which is the sister product. The owners of Second Splash, they own Easy Cash for Ads. And because I had some success with Easy Cash for Ads, they gave me a free upgrade with Second Splash. And the bonus income is where Easy Cash for Ads comes in. So this is another additional income stream that you can earn with Second Splash. So all you do, you go into bonus income, and you watch this video here and it explains how Easy Cash for Ads works. And then when you join the bonus income, and you click there to join, you put your username in there, and then you update. And then if any of your referrals come through Second Splash and they decide they want the bonus income, you'll earn even more commissions. Now, it's important to know that Easy Cash for Ads is not a monthly membership cost. It's a one-time payment of $19. But when I go into my Easy Cash for Ads back office, you'll see Easy Cash for Ads has been going now for 7 years, since 2016. And when I go into my Easy Cash for Ads back office, then the beauty of joining Easy Cash for Ads within Second Splash is that you can also promote Easy Cash for Ads as an offer by itself. And I'd been doing that up until Second Splash was launched. I still do promote it as a standalone offer. But if I go into my commissions, you'll see that for 18 months in a row, the commissions have come in with, excuse me, um, with easy cash for ads. So it's a product that converts. You do get some autopilot buyers traffic, but all these $10 bills have been coming in for 18 months in a row, and that's $740 of profit in total. So easy cash for ads, it's great. I do recommend that you upgrade in the bonus income, because easy cash for ads, you can benefit from the referrals joining, but you can also benefit from promoting this as an offer on its own. And nearly half of these commissions that I've got, nearly half of these, this $740 has come in passive income. So when you put the foundations in place, it can work really well. Let me just show you now the free resources that our team gives you to help you succeed with Second Splash. So we've got a done for you lead capture page here, and I'll go on to the thank you page and the funnel page. You don't have to use these. You can just either create your own, or you can just promote the Second Splash homepage. But we recommend that you start to build a list and start to follow up with your Second Splash prospects. So we've got this funnel, this done for you funnel here. And what this does, when your prospects opt into this page here, they get taken to this page here. And then what this does, this then shows them all about Second Splash, educates your prospects on the power of Second Splash. And then what they can do is they can click here to join Second Splash. And the reason we've done this is because we've given you an additional income stream with Leads Leap in your funnel. So it says here, set up your lead funnel. And Leads Leap tools are free to join, a free lifetime membership. You get traffic from Leads Leap as well. So you'll put your Leads Leap affiliate link into here. We teach you how to do that within this video tutorial. Now, I know that if you're a beginner, you might think that I'm jumping all over the place a little bit here and going through too much, but it's really, really simple. Once you've set everything up, all you do is promote one link, and that's that page there. And then everything else will fall into place once you've set this funnel up. And even with Leads Leap, you can earn a monthly recurring commission even as a free member. So we added this into the funnel to help beginners not only have the tools to use to build any online business and also get traffic from Leads Leap. We put this into the system so we can help beginners earn an additional income stream and have all the tools they need. And these are all what we call share codes. All you do is copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap, and then it's just an automated funnel that's set up, and you'll get your own link to promote. And this tutorial here takes you through that step by step. Very beginner friendly. If you have got any questions, you can always contact me direct through email. My email will be in the description, and you can even ask any questions in the comments below. But very, very simple. We're just promoting one link to this lead capture page, and then everything else falls into place once you've got everything set up. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and then click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 900 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash, about easy cash for ads, about the funnel, this is really very, very simple. We are just promoting one link to potentially earn multiple income streams. So you can join as a free member, and you can stay free for life. It's a free lifetime membership with Second Splash. So any questions, please leave those in the comments below. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will give you access to a free Second Splash account. And then we'd love you to come and join our team. And we're here to help you become a success with your Second Splash program. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.